and you will really get it, you will see that your life will immediately change and you will make money just by that, because everyone will agree with you. Agreeing mean willing to flow towards you. Disagreeing mean wanting you to flow towards me. So one is a forced flow and the other one is a willing flow. What is disagreement? What is disagreement? How would you define disagreement? An inability to put together parts of a whole. So every time you don't have the full viewpoint, every time you don't get the whole, there will be a disagreement. If you talk to someone and you understand only parts of the words, you will disagree with them passionately without understanding what you're disagreeing about. Do you know who is the person that disagree with you the most? The person that don't understand the most. The more stupid the person is, the more locked he is on a viewpoint. Are you with me? You want to know how stupid someone is? See how unwilling he is to see other viewpoints. When a person is willing to see another viewpoint, he will take the viewpoint and will use it to help you see, to help you observe. And he will himself evaluate what his viewpoints. But the person that does not understand will be locked mechanically on a viewpoint, which means he will just say things without really understanding them. It will manifest in justification, an immediate justification. It will manifest in an inability to answer the question asked. You ask a question and you get a story. The less the person see the whole, the less the person understand, the more misunderstood words the person have, the worse he gets. So far, so good. The more disagreements he have. A person that disagree is a person that don't understand. That's actually quite fascinating because it opens the door for handling for you. Because when a person disagree with you, you are not actually getting impressed and trying to solve the wrong problem. You're not going to solve the disagreement. You need to solve the misunderstanding. Totally different why. Are you with me? It's totally different why. If you really get it, life changed. Now, when you see only parts of a whole. So when you argue about something and you see only parts of the whole, obviously, you see that if you argue with someone and you are not in disagreement, but your purpose is to agree, you will see all parts of the whole and you will be able to bring an agreement. But if your purpose is to disagree, which means to show that you are right and he is wrong, you will not see the whole and the end result will be disagreement. This is really unbelievable piece of data. Disagreement, the manifestation of an incomplete cycle of action. So you had a misunderstood word and you, of course, will disagree because you have an incomplete cycle of action. By the way, the more cycle of actions you have, the more automatically you will become grudgy. The more disagreements you will have in your life, the less motion you will be able to experience, the more complex your life become, the less you will be able to imagine. Now, what is the purpose of agreements? What is the purpose of agreements?